Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to manage your mobile data usage for the Candy Crush game app. Many users want to play Candy Crush using only Wi-Fi to save their mobile data. In this video, I will guide you through a simple method to disable mobile data specifically for Candy Crush. First, locate the Candy Crush app on your device. Once you have found the app, press and hold the app icon for a few seconds until a menu appears. Next, tap on App Info from the menu. After that, look for Data Usage or Mobile Data section in the App Info page. Next, turn on the option that says Disable Mobile Data. This will make Candy Crush use only Wi-Fi and block it from using mobile data. Finally, go back to your home screen and open Candy Crush. You can now enjoy the game without using any mobile data, relying only on your Wi-Fi connection. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.